How to make a name for yourself. In case you're wondering how, well, this video is for you. To make a name for yourself, you must create something that others can't ignore. You heard me? A brand that is different, a brand that is impactful, a brand that is you. You must create yourself. I'm not talking about creating yourself as a robot. That's not what I'm talking about. But if you can, just give me a call. I would like to become one. Well, you want to know how? Your name is the language that occupies the space in your customer's mind. Your name is the measures of equity that your personal brand holds. Do you know that your name is the only asset that cannot be commoditized? Do you know that your name is the only substance of your identity? Yes. So, now that you know how to make a name for yourself, is that going to be the question you want to ask me? Well, let me give you the answer. Ask yourself these questions. Who are you? When you are walking, when no one is looking, when you are on the stage, when you are off the camera, how do you want to show up? Looking classy, sophisticated, casual, approachable, easygoing, charismatic, empathetic, strong, relatable. Well, what is the impact you want to leave on other people? Productize yourself now. Start writing book, start a podcast, start a newsletter, start a YouTube channel, become a social media influencer. The most important thing is become a trusted authority, a trusted expert. You can go into skill acquisition, public speaking, content creation, organize industry events, do a lot that you want to do. In fact, build a community, leverage on social media with the understanding of a shared identity, shared purpose, shared passion, shared belief, shared aspiration. The 1,000 true fan model you need to rely on today is your true fan. Become successful, making sure you are impacting on people's life. You need to actually make a name for yourself before the market will make a name and target on you. Make sure that you are controlling the narrative or whatever name they want to tag on you, or whatever name you want them to know you about. So in case you're wondering, how can this go on? You need a clear purpose. You don't know how to go about that, having a clear purpose. You don't know how to start. Well, there's no big deal. There's no problem. I got you. You just need to DM me with the word brand or send an inquiry to info or ask at adultsmichael.com. Ask, A-S-K, at adultsmichael.com. Send me DM and I will be there to holla at you.